So Downloader works just like a web browser. We can enter any URL. So for instance, the website we're going to go to, https://ledbytheunknown.com/downloads. It's a little bit. I have a short code for you instead, which is way quicker. 70178. Hey, what's going on, guys? Are you looking for movies, TV shows, live TV, and sports on your Amazon Fire TV stick? On applications you can't find in the Amazon App Store? Follow along, I'll show you how to put this App Store on your device. First thing we need to do, highlight, find, come down, type in Downloader in search. You should be able to just type D. Downloader comes right up real quick, so just click on it. This is the orange icon you're looking for. Select it. Here it says I already own it. You may not, so just get it, download it, install it. So you just click it, throws it in the queue, downloads it onto your Amazon Fire TV stick. While we're waiting for it to download, please share this with a friend. I'm sure you know someone who would love to have this on your device. So before we open the app, hit the home button on our remote, and we go all the way to the settings icon. The very last guy here finds the race car driver or the little gear icon. Select it and then pull down. I have my Fire TV here listed. Yours may say my device, or yours may be down here. Select. As you can tell, I have developer options. And if you have never done this before, you wouldn't, and that's okay. Highlight about, select it. Here it says Fire TV stick. Yours may say 4K or something different. It's the top option on the menu. Just select it 7 to 10 times. And here it says, no need, you're already a developer. So congratulations, you are now too. So we can back out to highlight developer options and select it. Here it says ADB debugging. We can turn it on. And then highlight unknown apps. Here it may be just on and off here, or if you have a newer device, select, look for the application Downloader that we want to enable and turn that on. This enables Downloader to sideload applications onto our Fire TV stick. Now we can hit back to the home button. Let's look for Downloader. So it'll be under the 3 squares plus sign. This is our apps and games section. And here the last app that we've downloaded ends up right at the bottom of our list. So you can just look for it, hit it, and here select Downloader to open it up. Yes, allow Downloader to access photos, media, and files on our device. So Downloader works just like a web browser. We can enter any URL. So for instance, the website we're going to go to, https://ledbytheunknown.com/downloads. It's a little bit. I have a short code for you instead, which is way quicker. We do have a little red circle here that acts as a cursor on our device. Our remote's our mouse. So we can just do right, down, left, up, and the center button is the select button. So here we're just going to go up to the very top, move over into the search area, click in it, and this brings up a keyboard. So here's our short code, 3701778. And then we just hit next, and this just directs it right to the web page, to the one we need in order to get these awesome applications on our device. Once the redirect is completed, we can actually just hit the 3-line button on our remote, and here it says favorites, add current page, full screen mode, blah, blah, blah. Highlight add current page to favorites and select that. Hit save. Now, anytime you come to here and you want to get to the page, you don't have to remember the URL. You don't have to remember the short code. It's already saved in your favorites. In order to get to the favorites, 3-line button on our remote, favorites, there's the link, and boom. And it brings it up. We're ready to go. Please remember, this is a little demo. There are tutorials. There are other applications to check out, and there's some videos to follow along. Let's head down. I've always suggested getting yourself a nice reliable VPN, as lately online security has been our utmost concern. Get out your phone, scan this QR code, it's up on your TV now. Get yourself 82% off IP Vanish. It comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee for all of price of a cup of coffee a month. Yes, this is affiliate link. Yes, it does help keep the lights on with the commission. I appreciate the support. So let's go down. And I have a few great apps for you. There's some new ones, there's some old ones on here. Yes, the old ones still work depending on your device. If you have an Android device or an on-streaming 4K box, check out this link. Very similar to what we're doing today. Sports, movies and TV shows, live TV, follow along. Check out these applications I bet you've never seen before. So we can click on the first one for sports. Downloads the application to your device. Here we go to the bottom right, click install. Application installs onto the device. And then we just highlight done and select it. Delete the installation files. We no longer taking up space on our device. Yes, confirm the delete. We have another one, stream. Now, if we get this version to download, just wait a few moments. Let this start come down just a little bit. You don't have to click accept. Wait until you see this little blue box and then the white arrow. Highlight it with your cursor and click to download. And it starts downloading it to your device. Bottom right, click install, and then click done. Delete the installation file and confirm the delete. Now we click out once and click back twice, and it sends us back to the downloads page. We can try another one like HDO. This goes to that other option. Just slide it down a little bit. Gives you a little countdown. And here again, the little blue box. Click the arrow. And it starts downloading it to your device. I get it. Some of these apps may disappear. Yes, that is true. Maybe this video you're watching it in 6 months. Maybe the apps have changed, and that's okay. If the apps have changed, there will be other apps available through this same process. Follow along with your device. We'll hit install, and then highlight done. Delete the installation file. Yes, confirm the delete. Back out twice. Back to the page for downloads. And here, folks, an oldie and still working fabulously. So we click on the blue button. Down on the bottom right, click install. Once it's installed, just click done. Delete the installation file. Confirm the delete. Then let's go to the home screen and find out where these great applications are. So just hit the home button on your remote. And just like when we found Downloader, we can just head across to the 3 squares plus sign. And here's the apps that we downloaded. Let's open up this guy. Continue. Allow. It does take a few moments for it to initially start up. We come up to the settings icon. Go down to System. Come down to Add-ons. Slide across. Move down Unknown Sources. Turn that on. And yes. Back out. Go up to File Manager. Add, click in there, gives us a keyboard. Follow this URL. So it's going to start with HTTP. And we need a colon. Right now we have a semicolon. In order to get a colon, use the shift key. And we need // // Now, HTTP or possibly HTTPS. And then click OK. Gives you the name. Click OK. Back at 1. Select add-ons. Come down from zip. Find your name. There's the zip. Repository. Select on it. Find your name. Come down to program. We have a wizard. This may change from time to time. It's not always going to stay the same, and that's okay. There are other ones you can also try out if you don't like this one. Select it. Bottom right. Select OK. Here we have a little percentage indicator on how far it's going. Don't worry about that error. So normally a blue screen would pop up sometimes. Things change and that's okay. If you don't get a blue screen, highlight it again and here it says open. If we click on open, it just gives us the next option. So we can do build. And this is the one I would normally suggest to click on. And we can say it's ready to build. So proceed, continue. If the first one doesn't work, use the second one. Like I said, things change. And this will update for the latest options that are available. This does take a few moments. It could take 5 minutes. It has a lot of information it needs to pull down, upload, reconfigure. During this time, I'd really like to thank you. I really appreciate you guys watching our videos. Doing this for anyone who's looking to get the best out of their Amazon Fire TV sticks, their Android boxes, even their Android smartphones, or phones I should say nowadays. It'll work on your tablets. It'll also work on your PC if you're using this. All right? Follow along. Things will change. Things have been changing a lot lately. And the only thing we can do is just kind of go with the flow of everything. Now that it's done, it would like to force close Kodi. Say OK. And when you reopen it, beautiful. All right. You get the wizard going and everything else. Again, thank you so much. Appreciate you. Happy streaming. Peace. I am Lee. I'm here for all your Amazon Fire TV stick needs, tips and tricks, and how-tos, including on boxes, Check out the links down below. Please push the subscribe button and the thumbs up if you're still here. Oh, excellent. Huh. Staring at my dog sleeping. Shepherd fills up the whole couch. If you can see a reflection or not in there, I don't know. Sometimes you can, sometimes you can't. Reminds me of how thankful I am for family, friends, pets, you name it. Love you all. Take care.